Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme Q2 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called CLONEit. Then open it, click Allow and agree. You want to go with sender on Realme and receiver on an Android. Tap Allow again and click Search again. Tap on available device, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan, click while using the app, and scan the code. Accept connection request by clicking OK. And now you want to tap Allow those folders and click Start to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that, so I will just click here to choose details and go only with one file, for example this song. So I have to tap on it, click Start, OK, and wait. Now tap Finish. And when I go into, for example, Files and choose Audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!